Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Volkswagen Jetta and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So that's how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how the headlight looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it'll protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So you're going to need two solutions in order to prep the headlight lens. The first solution is slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. And your second solution is called the tag solution, which contains isopropyl alcohol 70% with distilled water. So for the slip solution, you're going to apply it to the lens. And with a clean microfiber towel, we're going to remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. And also, while we're cleaning the section of the lens, clean around the top and around the surrounding area of the headlight. That way, just in case the film does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants if it touches the paint on this end, on the adhesive. So once you finish with the first pass of the slip solution, you're going to grab your tag solution and spray just a couple sprays onto another side, but on the clean side of the towel. And this is just to help remove any wax or any coating or any other hard contaminants that you weren't able to remove with the slip solution. You'll be able to remove it with the tag solution. So once we finish with the prep, now we can start with the install. Just apply a little bit of slip solution to the lens and a little bit of slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we're doing is just aligning the tint to this section of the headlight first. So something you are going to notice when you place the tint onto the headlight is it only covers the front face of the headlight. It doesn't cover the inside here of the curve of the headlight. So keep that in mind. It's only for this entire section of the face here. So once you place the film, we're going to align it to this edge of the headlight first. So just apply tag solution underneath. You only need a couple sprays, just maybe like 2 or 3. So underneath and on top, you would go ahead and grab your squeegee and start taking it down to secure it. We need to make sure this section of the tint is anchored and it doesn't move. That way we can work our way to the other end. So this is only optional if you're having trouble tacking it down, and you would use the low setting for this part. And then you would just apply tack solution once more on top and tack it down. And this is, like I mentioned, to help the adhesive on the film activate faster. So once this is secured, all we're going to do now is lift the film here, and we're only doing a small little stretch to reach it up to the edge. So if the film is dry, just lift it carefully and apply slip solution once more. Just apply a little bit, and because it's only a small stretch, it's not a deep curve on the headlight lens, we can start by grabbing our tag solution, lifting the film, and spraying tag solution on the edge here. That way, once we stretch the film and reach it to the edge, we can start tagging it down. Make sure you remove all the solution underneath the film, that way we don't have any bubbles. And that's pretty much it. And then once we're done with the installation, we would come back and do the last step, which is post-heat the headlight lens. So once we're done with the entire installation for the headlight, the last thing to do is to post-heat the entire tint. So all we're going to use is our tag solution, and we're going to spray it onto the headlight lens. And once we finish spraying the tag solution, we're going to use a heat gun or a hair dryer, and you could use the highest setting or the low setting. If you do use the high setting, just make sure not to stay too close to the film, that way you don't accidentally burn it. So use the low setting and apply heat evenly throughout the entire headlight. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to apply pressure and also help remove any solution that's around the edges. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Volkswagen Jetta. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.